Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be showing you how I make my brown rice. Rice is sometimes very difficult to make. It took me a very long time to get it just right. If you want exact measurements, just look up the directions on your pack of rice. So I'm going to be starting off with washing my rice. Please always wash your rice before you start cooking. I don't know why, but I always wash my rice like I wash my greens, okay? I don't know why, it just makes me feel secure. Washing your rice will help get rid of excess starch and also help your rice become more fluffy. So yeah, I'm just gonna move it around, rub it together, and I'm gonna do this about 3 or 4 times or until the water runs clear. You see how dark that water is? Yeah, we don't want that. Nope, not clear enough. Almost there. One more time. So that's as clean as we're going to get it. Now you can drain the water off and put it in your pot. Now you just want to take either chicken broth or water and fill it right above the rice. Now you just want it to cook on a low medium setting. You don't want it to come to a hard boil. We just want it to simmer. This is what it looks like when all the water has evaporated. You want it to be done before you turn the heat off. So if it's not done, just add more water and repeat the process. So after your rice is done, you want to turn your heat off, put your lid on, and remove it from the heat. You can definitely stop here after 20 minutes, but I'm going to take it a step further and squeeze some lime juice. This makes it extra flavorful. I'm also going to go in with a few pinches of cilantro as well. And I topped my rice with red beans and rice, so this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video.